Increased self-confidence, improved physical health, and enjoyment of life are just a few of the benefits associated with cosmetic surgery. Here now with more on reshaping your image is Dr. Ronald Schuster of Schuster & Schreiber Plastic Surgery and Skincare. Welcome.
Thank you, Elsa.
Happy to have you here. So tell us a little bit about your practice.
I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon. I've been in practice for over 25 years, and I'm located here in Baltimore, and I specialize in cosmetic surgery, mostly of the face and body.
Okay, and your specialty, we're talking today about rhinoplasty.
Yes, I have a special love of rhinoplasty.
Why is that? What do you enjoy about it?
It's so great because rhinoplasty is surgery that deals with problems related to the nose. And they can be problems related to just cosmetic surgery where patients just don't like the appearance of their nose. And it can also be functional problems where they're having difficulty breathing through their nose.
And so what are some of the techniques that you implement or that you've been implementing over the last several years?
Yeah, so I use primarily something that's called open rhinoplasty, which is a technique that is developed that uses incisions that are primarily on the inside of the nose. There is one small little incision that's underneath of here. And I give the analogy that it's sort of like opening the hood of a car, that I can lift the skin and look at the engine, and I can look at the whole anatomy of the nose, so there's no guessing.
Wow. Okay, so now you're doing this, and I know that we've got some photos too.
Sure.
And I was looking at them before this segment, really amazed that some of these little touches can really just sort of transform someone's face, but still make them look like themselves.
Well, that's why I love rhinoplasty so much. It's so individual. Everybody's nose is a little bit different. Patients have different goals related to what they want. Patients are different. There's ethnic rhinoplasty, there's rhinoplasty to correct crooked noses, and so it's so challenging and interesting and fun.
Yes, you don't want to sort of overhaul who you are, just sort of make tweaks to either feel better or what I guess people would think that they look better, what they're more confident looking like.
Today, patients don't want the old-fashioned nose job.
Right,
They want to look like
themselves.
Give
me the number two.
Right,
it's not
exactly.
Like that.
They don't want to look like everybody else in their block.
Right.
But they want to look like themselves, but they want to look better, and they want to look more refined, and that's what it's all about.
And one of the things that you told me off camera too that I found just really, really interesting is that it's not always surgery. Sometimes you can achieve these techniques with a different way.
Yes, so you can actually achieve some of these results non-surgically with something called injectable fillers.
Okay, so what is that exactly with the injectable fillers? I think we're seeing that now?
Yes, and so there are a family of fillers that are materials that are injected in the skin. They're primarily used for wrinkles and grooves and things like that in the face, but they can also be used to improve the appearance of the nose.
And how often would you have to get something? Does it vary?
They usually last for about a year.
Really? All right, so what about the healing and recovery time if you do need to have an actual surgery? I
usually tell my patients to plan on being out of commission for about a week.
Just a week, really?
Yeah, it's not a painful kind of operation, but you are very stuffy. It's hard to breathe through your nose. You wear a splint on the outside for protection. You come back after a week, take the splint off, and I always tell patients they should see a very nice change of their nose right away, but it's not the final appearance. And everybody wants to see the final thing when they take the splint off.
It's like when you exercise one time, you're like, I should have lost 20 pounds.
So you have to be a little bit patient. They should be liking their nose by 2 to 3 weeks. They should be loving it by 2 to 3 months. It can take a full year to see the very, very final results.
Got it. Got it. Okay. So people are going to watch. They're going to want to get more information. What are the next steps? Do they just give you a call or reach out?
Yeah, a lot of different ways. They can contact our website, cosmeticsurgerybaltimore.com. Call the office, 410-902-9800. Give us a call.
Perfect. So I'm going to reiterate that because I really want people to get it. Make sure that you call that number. It's 410-902-9800. Otherwise, you made that website super easy, cosmeticsurgerybaltimore.com.
And they can also follow me on Instagram.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to become socially relevant.
There you go. What's your handle? I'll follow you.
Cosmetic Surgery Baltimore.
All right. Perfect. Thank you so much, Dr. Schuster.
Thank you,
really appreciate it. And we'll be right back with more Midday Maryland. When we come back, we're actually off to Talbot County for a taste of Maryland's finest foods. Stay tuned.